Hello and welcome to another episode. In this episode, we'll reverse debug it. Okay. Earlier, I used to draw pods and then define the network policy. Now I am defining network policy and will debug why, and then we'll draw which pod this can communicate. Okay. I will write a network policy. So stay a little patient because it will take a little time to write it down. So till time, just enjoy my handwriting. Sorry for bad handwriting. API version. It's networking.k8s.io/v1 and kind network policy. If you check, this all are camel kissing. So first is big, then another word is big. Metadata, guess, traffic flow, and name is. I will show Marvel. Now I cannot shift it here. So I forget to write this. In computer it is very easy to correct it, but name is guess, traffic. Now name is space. I say Marvel. And now the spec I define the pod selector, and here match lib and app equal to time stone. Okay, now the policy type is ingress. Now we'll define the rule for ingress. Already says in support form block, from where traffic is allowed, is a pod selector. Now the match label, please focus little because one question is sure from this topic. App equal to annos, and this is a or things. Okay, namespace selector. Selector is match label and planet earth. Now the port is equal to 80 and protocol TCP. Now we'll discuss this policy. If any printing mistake or typo mistake is there, please ignore it, just for the sake of understanding or sake of logic. Please consider this request. Now this API version, network policy, and the metadata name is guest traffic, means this policy name is a guest traffic, and the namespace is Marvel, means I will create a namespace. This is a Marvel. Yeah, Marvel. Okay, then so I can say this is a namespace. And spec pod selector match label app time stone. Okay, means pod selector I have to select, means there are many pods. Okay, this app is equal to hammer, app equal to shield. This is app equal to time stone. Means what this policy will do, this policy will first target this, means this is wrong. As per this policy, only this pod policy will apply on this pod. This pod is able to do whatever he want, and this pod also do whatever he want. But this time stone pod have restriction as per this network policies. Now what restriction? Pod selector means he can talk, he can communicate to, means if Thanos want to connect to this, if Thanos want to communicate to this pod, app say welcome Thanos. Time stone says welcome Thanos, and app equal to Iron Man. Will it possible? No, because these two conditions fail. App equal to Iron Man and namespace select its match labels. Okay, so this condition will fail. So if I can create this pod in earth namespace, will it communicate? Yes, then it will. He will communicate. Then this time stone says welcome app equal to Iron Man. Here app equal to Thanos. He will say no. Now I will put a namespace. I will create this pod in namespace and with the label planet equal to earth. Now if want to connect, it says welcome buddy, welcome, thank you so much. I will if here app equal to Doctor Strange, welcome. Here app equal to Captain America, not allowed. So and simply if I want to say, then I will make this line little bigger. This namespace means this policies applies to, in simple way, this policies apply to this name is. Then it will check for pod selector and check this have a label. No, this is have a label. No, this is have a label. Yes, then this applies to. Now who can communicate to this app time stone? Any app that had a label app equal to Thanos or namespace equal to planet Earth, means app equal to Thanos will communicate, and inside namespace planet Earth every app, every pod can communicate, but in other namespace or in other namespace, planet equal to something else, moon, this will not communicate. Diagram is a little messed up, but for the sake of understanding, if you have any doubt or I have missed something, yes, I have missed. Means this port means every port can communicate to only port number 80. Means I will clean up a little. Means this all port 80 only can communicate to port 80. Okay. For today, thank you so much. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for your love. Stay tuned. We'll have a lot of fun, and we'll have a lot of other content also. And we do have a Telegram channels also, so that you can suggest me which kind of videos you want. And I think it already stretched up. So I will close here. Thank you so much once again.